Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm teacher Ahmed and today we are going to do your exercises in your books for 8th grade module number 6. So let's get started. Okay guys, now open your activity book page 49. Question number 2. السؤال الثاني. Write the questions with Eva and their answers. إذا اكتب الأسئلة مع Eva وأجوبتهم. Use the present perfect simple or the past simple. إذا واستخدم المضارع التام والماضي البسيط. So here we have a table for Nawal and Hamad. إذا هنا لدينا جدول لنوال وحميد. And here we need to use the questions by using this table. وسوف نكتب الأسئلة and their answers باستخدام هذا الجدول. So here we have an example. Go with friends to a football stadium. Where Amman International Stadium. Then ذهبت مع أصدقائها إلى ملعب كرة القدم. أين؟ إلى ملعب عمان الدولي. So here the first one, has Nawal ever gone with her friends to a football stadium? So here we use the present perfect, of course. So and here we add has because Nawal it is singular. وضفنا has لأن نوال مفرد. And we use ever with question form. ونستخدم ever مع حالة السؤال. And go, the past participle form is gone. وتصريف الثالث من go هو gone. Then here we have the answer, yes, she has. نعم هي ذهبت. And question number 2, they use the past. So where did she go? Where did she go? So here we use past simple. So she went to Amman International Stadium. So went, it is the past form of go. وهي تصريف الثاني من الفعل go. Now let's complete these questions and their answers. Number 2. So Nawal experienced an earthquake. So here we are going to talk about the experience. Then نتحدث عن خبرة. So we will use the present perfect. So has Nawal ever experienced an earthquake? Then هل لدي نوال خبرة عن الزلات الأرضية? So yes, she has. So here we need to use the past symbol الماضي. So where was it? Then أين كانت? So it was near Belzig in southern Turkey. Then كانت في بلزيك جنوب تركيا. Number 3. Here we have Hamid traveled to Saudi Arabia. So according to the table, so he traveled. So has Hamid ever traveled to Saudi Arabia? So yes, he has now. So here we need to use the past symbol. So where did he travel? There. So he traveled there 2 years ago. إذا سافر قبل سنتين. So 2 years ago, it is the key word for simple past. إذا هي كلمة دالة للماضي البسيط. Number 3. So Nawal and Hamid take photos of ruins. هل تأخذ صور? So he need to ask. So have Nawal and Hamid ever taken photos of ruins? So yes, they have. So why here we add they? Because we are talking about plural. إذا نتحدث عن جمع هم Nawal and Hamid. So here we need to use the past symbol, and here we have she. So she is refers to Nawal. إذا she تعود على نوال. So where did she take her photo? At the Nabatean ruins in Petra. إذن عند الأنباط في البتراء. And here we have he and take. So where did he take his photo? At Angkor in Cambodia. Cambodia. Okay guys, now let's move to question. Write questions using the present perfect symbol then answer them. إذا اكتب أسئلة باستخدام المضارع التام ومن ثم أجب عليهم. So here we have an example. People Stonehenge a citadel or a health center. إذا الناس كانوا يستخدمون ستونهنج كقلعة أو كمركز صحي. So here we need to use present perfect symbol for a question. So have people use Stonehenge as a citadel or a health center. So here they put a correct sign for a health center. So here we need to use the affirmative, and a citadel they put a wrong sign. إذا وضع إشارة الخطأ. So here we need to use the negative form. So people have used Stonehenge as a health center. They haven't used it as a citadel. So let's move to number 2. People Stonehenge place for burying the dead or a campsite. إذا الناس كانت تستخدم Stonehenge كمكان لدفن الموتى أو للتخييم. So here we need to write a question. So have people use Stonehenge as a place for burying the dead or a campsite? So they put a right sign in burying the dead and the wrong sign for a campsite. So people use Stonehenge as a place for burying the dead. They haven't used it as a campsite. Number 3. People leave or destroy Angkor. So here we need to write a question. So have people left or destroy Angkor? So left, it is the past participle form for leave. إذا left هي التصريف الثالث من فعل leave. إذا هل ترك الناس Angkor أو دمروها؟ So here they put a correct sign for leave and a wrong sign for destroy. So people have left Angkor, they haven't destroyed it. Number 4. People build Machu Picchu, Mexico or Peru. So have people built Machu Picchu in Mexico or Peru? So here they put the correct sign for Peru and the wrong sign for Mexico. So people have built Machu Picchu in Peru. They haven't built it in Mexico. Okay guys, now let's move to page 50. Okay guys, now open your activity book, page 50. So now let's move to question number 4. Question number 4. These predictions appeared in Ladies' Home Journal from December 1900. In the article, what may happen in the next 100 years? Make sentences about the things that have and haven't happened. Okay guys, so here we have 6 sentences. إذا لدينا 6 جمل and all of these are predictions. كل هدول تنبؤات from 1900 من 1900. So here we need to use have for a negative sentence and haven't for for the affirmative and haven't for the negative. إذا سوف نستخدم have مع التنبؤ الذي حصل و haven't مع التنبؤ الذي لم يحدث. So here we have an example. وهنا لدينا مثال. People will travel by car instead of using horses. إذا الناس سوف يسافرون باستخدام السيارة بدل استخدام الأحصنة. So this prediction is happening. إذا هذا التنبؤ حدث. So people have used cars instead of horses to travel. Number 2. Mosquitoes and flies will all die. إذا البعوض والذباب سوف يموتون كلهم. So it is not happened. إذا لم تحدث. It's not happened. I'm sorry. So mosquitoes and flies haven't all died. إذا لم يموتوا. Number 3. The letters C, X, and Q will disappear from our everyday alphabet. إذا الأحرف C والX والQ سوف يختفوا. إذا لم تحدث. So the letters C, X, or Q haven't disappeared from our every alphabet. Number 4. People will speak English more than any language in the world. إذا الناس سوف تتحدث اللغة الإنجليزية أكثر من اللغات الموجودة في العالم. إذا هذه حدثت. So people have spoken English more than any language in the world. Number 5. Photographs will show all of nature's colors. And this is happening. So photographs have shown all of nature's colors. Number 6. Wireless telephones will be used all over the world. So this is happening. So people have used wireless telephones all over the world. Now let's move to question number 5. Question number 5. Put the following words under the 3 headlines in the table below. إذن ضع الكلمات التالية تحت العناوين الثلاث in the table below في الجدول الموجود في الأسفل. So here we have 8 words. هنا لدينا 8 كلمات. We need to put them according to their meaning. نريد أن نضعهم حسب معناهم إلى العناوين الثلاث. So we have landmarks and it means المعالم, actions الأعمال, people الناس. So here we have ditch and it means خندق. So it is وهي معلم. So here we have to carve وهي معناها ينحت أو ينقش. So هي عمل. Fortification and it means تحصين. And it is landmark. So هي معلم. In case. So as we know, these are Indian people هم أناس الأنيكة. Expert خبير. إذا الناس to renovate وهي تصليح أو يصلح. So it is actions وهي عمل. Archaeologist وهي عالم الآثار. It is people. And here we have to preserve يحافظ and it is action وهي عمل. Okay guys, now let's move to question number 6. Question number 6. Read the clouds and write the words in the puzzle. إذن اقرأ مفاتيح الحل ومن ثم اكتب الكلمات في اللغز. So number 1. Development over a period of time. إذن تطور خلال مدة من الوقت. So it is growth وهي النمو. Number 2. A group of buildings with many parts. إذا مجموعة من البنايات مع أقسامها. So it is complex وهي مجمع. Number 3. To entertain people. For example, by acting. إذا لتسلية الناس. مثال استخدام الأفعال. so it is perform وهي الأداء. Number 4. A group of countries controlled by one ruler. إذا مجموعة من البلدان محكومة من خلال حاكم واحد. so it is empire الإمبراطور. Number 5, I'm sorry. A circle course around which runners, cars, etc. race. إذن منظار دائري حول المتسابقين أو السيارات أو سباق. so it is track وهو المسار. Number 6. To make an object or pattern by cutting a piece of wood or stone. إذا نصنع شيء أو شكل من خلال قطع جزء من الخشب أو الحجر. so it is carve وهي النحت. Number 7. Away from one place to another. إذا طريقة من إلى مكان آخر. so we call it route وهو طريق. so the last word it is heritage وهي التراث. so it means a tradition, beliefs, value, etc. of a family or a country. إذا معتقدات لها قيمة وتقليدية لبلد أو لعائلة. Okay guys, so you have to write them down in your book. Thank you for watching. I hope to enjoy this video and I will see you very soon. Assalamu alaikum.